targeting the black marketing strategists. Run up on them with the heaters. Everybody. Hallelujah, hallelujah.
He's acting nonchalant up there in that cockpit, going 115 miles an hour with the police chasing him. They're not going to be real happy when they catch up with him, no matter what. They hate a big.
Must you swoop through the hood like everybody from the hood? It's up to no good. You think all the girls around here were tricking? Up there looking like super chicken. At night I see a light through my bedroom window, but I ain't got shit but the patent pencil. I can't wait till I hear you say I'm going down, Mayday, Mayday. I'm gonna clown, cause every time that the pigs have got me, y'all rub it in with the flying Nazi. Military force, but we don't want ya standing on my roof with the rocket launcher. So fly like a nigga, but don't follow us wherever we go. The shit that I'm saying, make sure it's heard. Motherfuck you and your punk ass ghetto bird. Run from the ghetto bird. Run from the ghetto bird. Now, my homies hit a lick on a trick for a Rolex, and let me try to phone next.